Welcome to a space where functionality meets style. Today, we're diving into the world of modern kitchen design. In this video, you'll discover how the kitchens of 2025 are becoming smarter, sleeker, and more stunning than ever before. From intelligent storage to elegant materials, we'll break down the latest trends and design ideas that perfectly balance efficiency with elegance. Whether you're renovating or just gathering inspiration, this is your ultimate guide to the modern kitchen. Section 1: The Rise of Warm Minimalism. Minimalism isn't going anywhere, but it's evolving. Today's kitchens are embracing a softer, warmer minimalist style. Say goodbye to cold white spaces and hello to muted tones, natural textures, and seamless cabinetry. Think handleless drawers, built-in appliances, and matte finishes in soft beige, stone, or light wood. It's all about removing visual clutter while creating a kitchen that feels calm, clean, and connected. Section 2: Neutral palettes with rich contrasts. While soft neutrals dominate the foundation, 2025 kitchens are not afraid of contrast. Picture creamy cabinets paired with black quartz countertops, burnished brass fixtures, or a deep forest green island. This mix of restraint and drama adds depth without overwhelming the space. Designers are leaning into layered color stories, where balance is key, creating kitchens that are as inviting as they are sophisticated. Section 3: Open versus broken plan layouts. Open concept kitchens are still loved for their spacious feel, but 2025 is seeing a shift toward broken plan layouts. Instead of one open area, subtle dividers like glass partitions, half walls, or multi-level counters separate zones without isolating them. This layout provides definition, sound control, and cozy corners, perfect for multitasking families or entertainers who want both connection and structure. Section 4: Statement islands with purpose. Kitchen islands have become the centerpiece of modern kitchens. But now, it's not just about size, it's about function and flair. Designers are adding waterfalls, backlit panels, and even built-in wine fridges or induction cooktops. A beautiful island in contrasting material, like black stone or veined marble, can ground your space while offering extra prep, storage, or seating. It's designed to work double time. Section 5: Smart storage and hidden tech. Efficiency thrives in the details. Modern kitchens are hiding more than ever: appliances behind panels, pull-out pantry drawers, corner carousels, even charging stations built into drawers. And it's not just about saving space, it's about creating flow. Plus, tech integration is smoother and more elegant. From touchless faucets and smart ovens to lighting that adjusts to mood or time of day, kitchens are becoming both intuitive and impressive. Section 6, Natural Materials and Sustainable Choices. Homeowners are also making more eco-conscious choices, without compromising style. Expect to see reclaimed wood, recycled stone composites, and low VOC cabinetry finishes. Sustainable doesn't mean rustic. Today's natural materials are being refined into sleek, polished surfaces that feel both luxurious and earth-friendly. And sustainability also means durability, designs that age gracefully and work beautifully for years. Section 7, Lighting as a Feature. Lighting is no longer just functional, it's a design feature. Layered lighting plans include pendant lights over the island, LED strips under cabinets, and spotlights inside open shelves. Materials like smoked glass, metallic finishes, or organic woven pendants add sculptural beauty, elevating the space day and night. The right lighting transforms your kitchen from a workspace into a welcoming hub. The modern kitchen of 2025 is where efficiency meets elegance, and every design choice supports both style and function. We hope today's ideas gave you fresh inspiration for your dream kitchen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more interior design inspiration and home style updates.